The Annotate VCF tool must be run before using aggregate tools. The input VCF file can be either GZ compressed or uncompressed. Let's open one of the VCF files in Excel. You can see that it is a table describing information such as chromosome name, position, reference sequence, and mutated sequence. Delete the unzipped VCF file for viewing. Let's open the Annotate VCF tool. Specify the folder containing the VCF file you want to annotate. You can see many databases, so filter by keywords and select the same species and genome version as the one used for mutation analysis. After the execution completes, the result folder is generated in the folder where the input VCF files are located. Let's open one in Excel and we can see that the info column has annotation information added to it. If you do a keyword search on this column, you will see that there are many missense and frameshift variants.